Imagine a world where the ultimate symbol of luxury meets everyday practicality. That's what we're exploring today. Welcome to the thrilling world of car comparisons, where we pit the awe-inspiring Bugatti Chiron against the dependable Suzuki Swift. It's like comparing a lightning bolt to a gentle breeze, each with its own unique charm. Buckle up as we dive into this unexpected matchup, analyzing everything from sheer horsepower to the convenience of city driving. The Chiron isn't just the best Bugatti out there, it's the king of cars. Period. This $3 million masterpiece zooms past 200 mph, all thanks to its 16-cylinder, quad-turbocharged engine pumping out a massive 1,500 horsepower. And get this, the pricier Supersport, even more oomph under the hood. Inside, the Chiron is pure elegance. Top-notch materials everywhere, justifying every penny of its price. Now, the Suzuki Swift. Don't underestimate this compact car. It's surprisingly roomy, and its design. Quite a head-turner. The door pillars make the roof seem like it's hovering. Pretty neat, right? And the front? It's got a sporty vibe that kind of echoes the Jaguar F-Type. Cool, isn't it? Engine, transmission, and performance. Every Chiron model rocks a 16-cylinder, 80-liter engine, and it's a true monster. With 4 turbochargers, this powerhouse belts out 1,500 horsepower and 1,180 pound-feet of torque. Bugatti boasts that the Chiron can blast from 0 to 60 mph in just 2.3 seconds, topping out at a jaw-dropping 261 mph. Craving more speed? Check out the Chiron Supersport. It amps up the base engine to churn out 1,578 horsepower. In addition, the car's power is smoothly sent to all 4 wheels through a sleek 7-speed automatic transmission. Switching to the Suzuki Swift, it's a real mix-and-match deal. You've got engine options ranging from 1.3 to 1.5, and even a 1.4-liter size. These engines pack a punch from 80 to 160 horsepower. And the transmission? It's your choice. Manual or automatic. Some Swifts sport a 5-speed manual, a 4-speed automatic, or even a smooth CVT. Into something sportier, the Swift Sport's got you. It comes with either a 1.6-liter or a 1.4-liter turbocharged engine, pushing out 125 to 160 HP and 148 to 170 lb per fit of torque. You can snag the Swift Sport with a 6-speed, manual, or automatic. Bottom line, the Swift offers a range of engines and transmissions, letting drivers find their perfect speed. Exterior. The Bugatti Chiron's exterior is a work of art, displaying its famous style and engineering abilities. The body of the car is made of smooth carbon fiber. The car comes in pretty colors like matte steel blue and the gold hue doré. The side panels have a C-shaped design that shows sleek and aerodynamic lines. The Chiron's design honors Bugatti's history, with nods to the Type 57 Atlantic and other iconic designs. This is a mix of traditional, personalized, and real parts, all with the unique Bugatti style. The Suzuki Swift looks strong with a big front grille, shiny wheels, and muscular body lines. Unique touches include a floating roof and pillar-mounted back door handles. The Swift has a practical design with lots of storage space and room for bags, making it great for everyday use. Interior. Diving into the Bugatti Chiron's cabin, it's a real showstopper. This 2-seater with a mid-engine layout is all about high-end sports car vibes. The interior. It's crafted from the finest stuff out there. The Chiron's cabin is so impressive, it's often hailed as the car's highlight. At the Bugatti Atelier in Molsheim, they hand-finish the interior of every Chiron. They use high-quality leather, carbon, and metal. The standard Chiron has special details, including Alcantara, carbon fiber, metals, and quilted leather. The center console is stylish. It holds the gear shift and 4 cool air conditioning dials. Now, let's talk Suzuki Swift. Its interior is a blend of style, practicality, and a touch of luxury. It's a cozy space thanks to the fabric interiors. In terms of storage, it's really convenient. It has large pockets in the doors, a big glove box, cup holders, and shelves that can fit smartphones. Up front, there's plenty of room for the driver and passenger, and in the back, there is enough space for adults, plus some extra seats. The materials are mostly hard, glossy plastics. They might not feel as luxurious as some rivals. However, the interior is well put together overall. Hey, before we dive deeper into our car comparison, here's a quick question for you. Between the luxurious Bugatti Chiron and the practical Suzuki Swift, which feature do you think matters most in a car? Sheer power or everyday usability? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're enjoying this deep dive, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Infotainment and accessories. The Chiron's razor-sharp focus on performance means it's not big on entertainment. It's like a race car in its approach, with tech that's pretty bare bones. Don't look for a control screen or cool features like Apple CarPlay or Android Auto here. What you get are the basics, like a music system and a trip computer. But, and it's a big but, the sound system is top-notch. Think 4 tweeters, each rocking a 1-carat diamond membrane for crystal-clear sound. That's the kind of luxury you would expect from a multi-million-dollar car. The Suzuki Swift has analog driving dials but adds a small digital display in the middle. The top 2 trims are a bit fancier, boasting a 4.5-inch color digital display and a 7.0-inch touchscreen. It all feels nicely simple, not like they're skimping on features. The base SZL model has a simple radio that connects with Bluetooth. It also has a DAB digital radio and a CD player. You can control the radio from the steering wheel. There is also a USB port and a 12-volt socket near the gear lever. The SZT trims step it up with a 7.0-inch touchscreen infotainment system that's pretty responsive, but without physical buttons, flipping through features on the go can be a tad tricky. The built-in Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, they're a big plus for ease of use. Sound-wise, the base model starts you off with a 4-speaker radio, and the SZ5 adds a couple of tweeters. For this kind of car, the sound quality does the job. Fuel consumption and mileage. As expected from a 1,500 horsepower beast, the Chiron isn't exactly a friend to the environment. The EPA rates it at about 9 mpg in the city and 14 mpg on the highway. The Per Sport and Super Sport models are even thirstier, with around 8 mpg in the city and 11 mpg on the highway. On the other side, the Suzuki Swift is a gas-saving champion. Depending on the model, it averages around 51.4 mpg, or 5.6 liters per 100 kilometer, and emits about 133.1 grams per kilometer of CO2. With a consumption of just 5.5 liters per 100 kilometers, it's one of the top contenders for fuel efficiency in its league. Pricing. The Bugatti Chiron is a super fast hypercar with a price tag to match. Starting at around $3.3 to $3.6 million, the cost varies based on the model and customizations. Want more speed? The Chiron Supersport will set you back about $4.3 million, and the limited edition Chiron Supersport 300 Plus? That's a cool 3.5 million euros, roughly $3.9 million. These prices reflect the Chiron's exclusivity and speed, making it a highly sought-after gem in the car world. For the Suzuki Swift, the price varies depending on the year and trim. The 2023 model's suggested retail price ranges from $18,646 to $22,982, but the cash price starts lower at $17,182. Remember, these prices can differ based on location and dealership. So, what's your take on this high-speed luxury versus urban practicality showdown? Would you go for the unparalleled speed and luxury of the Bugatti Chiron, or the everyday reliability and efficiency of the Suzuki Swift? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting comparisons like this one. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.